Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you very beautiful flower arrangement. It's a sunflowers. They are such a beautiful, gorgeous flowers they are. I have to say this was my birthday and this came from my daughter-in-law. It's beautiful flower that I love it. Today I'm going to make an arrangement in a deep dish like this. This is a silver plated. Of course we don't use anymore, so we have to do it use it for to be useful. So what we need is, of course, this time I'm gonna put as like a sponge. Instead to put, let's see, maybe just a smidge more. There you go. We're gonna put here. Why we want a deep dish? Because sometimes some of the flowers are very, very thick, heavy. Sometimes I get some presents flowers, and I see the dish is so small and the flowers next day they die because they don't have enough space to get water. So today we're gonna do arrangement. I don't know what I have to do, but I have to say I picked up some lemongrass leaves here, some of my old pink flower leaves, which you've seen it a lot of time. I use this. I have a lot of fillers over here. We have a baby bread, and I got a little bit of the fan plants. I don't know what do you call this, but I call them palm fan. So it's such a beautiful thing. So I want to use this and make a kind of a new arrangement. It's a unique. People, they don't use this, but I have to say to you, if you use it, if you get it in your hands, get it, because it does very beautiful arrangement. Because what I'm going to do, I know it's going to be beautiful. So sometimes the ends are like dry. You can cut them, chop them. So what we have to do now, I want this to be a background, because I'm going to make kind of a tall, nice flower. I'm going to go a smidge more shorter. Just cut it an angle sharp or a V shape, so what it does, it will hold. So I'm going to put this from here. Let's put it right here, and then we can fill it with the filler. Now this is pretty much heavy, but there is a tape. What you can do is, because the flowers are going to be very heavy, so we're going to tape it down, so this way by mistake it doesn't turn. This way we will do. Here we go. We'll put couple. It depends how heavy it is, your flowers, your plants, and just to hold it down. Make sure it's tied up. Let's put one more time here this way. Yes, of course we need plenty space for those big flowers. So we're going to do this. It's already beautiful itself. Sometimes what you can do, you can just kind of slice them. You can go from the back, because it's a zigzag. You can see from the back, you just put it and pull it, and you can make more like a fan. It spreads more, just like this. Like you see here, it's like an accordion. You put your little knife and go up like this. It will make it interesting. So by the time, like, you know, when it stays for a few days or few weeks, however much, what it does, it goes more open. But the way it is, it's beautiful. You can even just hold it and pull it, but you don't want them. Sometimes when you pull it, what it does, it bends. So just take the knife if you want and just put it through and pull it up, just like this. So it will be very beautiful. Now I'm going to make towards to us flower. The top one, I have to put it up like this, so by the time we can go down, it will faces the flower down. So let's see how high we're gonna do. This will be pretty good, high enough. And even the bottoms of the flowers, you can little bit cut it and make it sharp, so it will go easy, and they will drink easy water. That's how we can do. Now I think it's that's a little bit short. I'm going to put a little bit one higher than that, because the fan, it's high. In case if you don't want this much high, take your scissor, which I didn't bring it, and you can hold the leaves in the back, and from the front you will cut it like this way, and what it does, it keeps it sharp for you. It's gonna be more lower, and look at this, it's already so beautiful. At the end, do not forget to fill water, and I have to say to you, every day make sure you check, because those flowers, they drink a lot of water. Don't let them go waste. So now we're going to put some filler. Let's see, I don't want to put like this too much, I don't want to cover the others. We will put them kind of lay down, and let's pour this with your hands. I'm telling you, a lot of plants, they can adapt any kind of green. If you don't have this kind, you can always put any different kind of green. These fillers are so beautiful, I have to tell you. We're gonna, now with this filler, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna cover the dish, where like the sponge and the plate. There you go. Very simple and very beautiful. When you get flowers like this, or you want to give present or whatever, just decorate yourself and enjoy it, and you can give always a little present to your friends, family, especially to your mom or mother-in-law. That's what I got. And now I just wanted to make, instead to keep them just on regular vase just like that, I wanted to do it nice decoration. Well, look at this. Now we have to fill, of course, in the back too. We don't want to leave empty the bag. You know what? God gives us such a beautiful nature it is, that anything we want, we can mix it, put it together. The back, we just want to fill it just to cover it, and it will look beautiful that way too. We can put all the small ones that we have. Let me see here. And it's kind of a unique plant it is. And there you go. Now, already it's looking very beautiful, but now I see maybe we should add another little flower here. Another one. I think it will look very beautiful. Let's see. I think I'm gonna cut much more. There you go. There, now it's look beautiful. It looks already beautiful like this. I'm gonna add couple baby bread over here I have, just to give a little color. And of course this comes, let's see, let's cut this way. There we go. Oh wow, I think it kind of brings the color even vibrant, more out. Let's see over here. We'll put one in the back. We'll keep it long. There you go. And then let's see, I think this is pretty good. We don't want to do too much round. That already looks very beautiful garden. Let me see over here. You know what? The flower arrangement doesn't have any rule regulation. You just have to follow with your heart to see how beautiful it is. And there you go. Who doesn't like this kind of flower arrangement? Very simple, easy thing. You just add whatever your heart's desire. Like I said, any kind of flower, it will adapt any kind of greenish. You can put spider plants, you can put whatever. So this is the plant. I hope that you like it. And I have to say, if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like, and I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.